Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's October, and October is spooky month. You know I love Halloween. We are on a quest that seems to be never ending. We are in the parking lot of another haunted house. We are at Heartstoppers, here to see if they really live up to the hype. So there are a lot of people outside. There's a huge line of people trying to get in, which is a really good sign. And I think this place had good ratings, but honestly, I'm just not sure that I believe the hype. There hasn't been any haunted houses in Sacramento that really can spook me. If you watched our previous video, we went to Corbett's Fear Farm, which was an outdoor haunted house, and that was an interesting experience. Overall, it was good, but you know, it wasn't enough for me. So I'm really hoping that Heartstoppers really does the trick. I decided to get festive because, you know, it's October and it's spooky month, and I love participating in Halloween things. And so I decided to do my makeup for Struggle Beauty on my other channel, so go check it out. So that way we could just, you know, kind of feel a little festive as we're walking through. Maybe I'll spook some of the actors instead. We just figured out who's gonna do what. I'm gonna be going on a ride by myself, and I guess getting some kind of special treatment, special experience, which I guess might be good since I'm the one who feels like I'm never scared. I'm not nervous. I just hope that we get some good quality footage. We're trying to be inconspicuous about my devices that I'm going to be strapped up with. I have a little camera situation here. I'm also lobbed up. We'll find out what, you know, how this ends up going. Asia and Justin are going to be going on these same attractions, but in the traditional way. I'm going to be doing a special one where I'm strapped in a wheelchair and I'm getting pushed through all of the events like by myself. So it's different. I give them props for that. I appreciate creativity, the difference in how they are conducting their haunted house versus other haunted houses. So I just hope it lives up to the hype and also the price. It does cost some coins, so I hope that it's a good experience. We will find out at the end, and we'll check back in with Asia to see how her experience was walking through. All right, so I guess I better get going. I'm already technically late, but that's like the story of my life, nothing new. All right, let's go. See you guys later.
Then we go to Steam Gas Asylum. Unfortunately, my travel professor who used to run it is not here this year.
Thank you.
Good. We're just gonna stay near other people.
Sure.
Alright, you two. While you're inside, please don't run. Please don't use any cameras or flashlights. And please don't touch anyone. Oh, right this way. Thank you.
Oh, man.
Give me your hand. Oh, we got a bed over here. Justin squeezing my hands. Oh, there's somebody. Come on, bud. I gotta get close to these people. crazy and stuff. A little scary. Justin was squeezing my hand so hard at one point that like my rings were hurting. We had a lot of people in front of us and behind us, so it was just like a train of like around all this like scary stuff. A little scary, but like not too bad. Hey!
Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. I post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side.
Well, hello there. Hi. Wristband, please. Well, thank you. Just one moment. Are you ready? You think so? Yes, I think so. All right, we're going to find out for sure. Yes, we will. Go on in. Where are y'all going? Now, do y'all know the rules? No. No?
No touching.
Oh, wait. That is the most important one. You are right.
No flash photography.
Perfect. No photography of any kind.
Yeah.
No smoking, no drinking, no eating, no fighting.
Gotcha.
No Doritos. Where are y'all going?
To the bathroom. Oh.
Welcome to Underland.
Thank you.
Please do not touch any of my lovely creatures. No running, no jumping, no tripping, no slipping, and no skipping.
Okay.
And above all, no photography.
All right.
Welcome to Underland.
Thank you.
Your hair is neon green.
Neon green? Really?
Yeah.
Should we eat dinner with them?
Ooh. This isn't dinner, this is tea.
Oh yeah, true.
Time for tea. Time for tea. Time for tea.
Oh shit.
Oh. Hi.
Oh, you're pretty.
Great, thank you. Oh, but your pleasantries will not save you.
Oh, she spit on me. That was so funny. She's like, man, that was a nice compliment. So she had to say something.
A little scary. Scarier than the 3D Wonderland, but like not too bad. Hey, look who's here.
Hi.
Hey, look who's there. Oh, hey, look who's here. Give him a shot.
Yep.
Made
it.
Hey, we know this person. Since, hi, the true star of the show.
I'm really disappointed with it. First of all, I haven't gotten any footage because I got caught. But so I'm just kind of covering things.
Okay.
But also, it's not as scary.
Yeah.
Although I think it was a unique experience to be in the wheelchair, but honestly, I couldn't even get into it because the wheelchair is so rickety, and he had a hard time getting it over like crickety floors and tight corners, and it was just distracting. And each thing was just not. You weren't scared? No. So that was a little bit of a waste, but I give them props for like an interesting concept for sure.
Originality.
Yeah, originality, but I don't know. I'm not scared.
Treacherous terrain now starts. Hillary, you want to go first? Oh, Justin's going first.
Well, I mean, we need to get her on camera, so.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
I'll go first.
You sure?
No. Oh, well, I need my camera.
What if you get stuck behind? That's why you want to be in the middle, huh? Oh, wow.
I might fall. Justin, we literally almost broke our ankle like too many times last night.
Really?
Yeah. Who's that? You will not be
This is too much.
Why isn't there anything trying to get you?
That guy smelled like Togos. Sorry if I'm going slow.
No, I can't see. I keep. Here we go. Let's do this shit.
Oh shit! Wait, Hillary, where are you?
I think I'm near you.
There's like no. Oh, okay. It's an open room.
Okay.
Do you see me over here, Hillary?
Okay.
There you are. It's just an open room, but we think there's shit in here.
Hi.
There we go. Hi. All
Is
right.
this the exit? Are we done? No.
No.
You want to lead? I'm going hella slow. I'm sorry, I can't see. Yeah. was on my face.
Get to the web.
Ew, what was in my mouth?
It's like an actual car horn.
Somebody's like parking up over here. Where do we go?
Oh, okay, we can see it. This is an escape room. This is not a haunted house.
Wait. Oh.
Oh. Okay. Oh, hey, oh.
Can we go? Oh man.
The butthole of death. What is this?
Alright, we're going to the butthole of death right now.
Oh no!
This is so hard!
It's so tight. I can't. There's so. Ah! No! I can't move. Ah! Oh my god! What the fuck?
All right, so we've gone through all of the haunts of Heartstoppers, Merc being the best for sure. Now we are going to play a game of zombie laser tag, as evident by the decor.
Western zombie laser
That's
tag.
true, Western zombie
So imagine
laser tag.
zombies from the Wild Wild West, and then laser tag.
Which is interesting. Isn't that like kind of like a concept of Red Dead Redemption? But all right, so yeah, there's some Western, some old school Western zombies, and we are gonna shoot them dead with some lasers. So I'm excited.
Let's do it.
I mean, hopefully this is fun.
Yeah, we're gonna be shooting each other and zombies, so it's gonna be.
Oh, each
super
other?
fun. Yeah, that's what she said earlier.
Oh, so
Yeah,
we're
It's just a game of laser tag, pretty much.
but there's not. I mean, at least till the end, right? Let's kill the zombies and then see who comes out standing.
I'm down for that.
All right, cool.
Cool.
All right, we got our plan. We know that we're at least on the same side until a certain point, and then from there, it's all women for themselves and Jimmy's. All right, let's go.
Bye.
Wrong way. We went the wrong way.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Oh no!
Oh, you did?
Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You're below it. Push it back.
Where are the zombies? Are they coming?
Ah! He's coming, shoot him! Run him
Talk to us about how it feels to take stuff off, but I actually want to take this shit off my face, ASAP.
We just did the Western zombie laser tag.
Yeah, and I lost my voice because I screamed like a mad person. But anyways, we did laser tag. There were 2 zombies. That was a little disappointing. We thought there would be more, and I think that we needed at least 1 more for the number of people we had. We needed 1 or even 2 more. You know, like one more
turn around
person
all the time, and there'd be like
right.
somebody there.
1 person more, like 1 more zombie than there are shooters.
True.
And I didn't understand the concept of the doctor who walked us in. She turned on us. I didn't expect that.
Well, it's like Oregon Trail. Or I'm not Oregon Trail, but
that was a good game.
Yeah.
I love Oregon Trail.
We'll play that.
But overall, fun concept.
Damn, they were leaving and they just got scared. That person came out of the place to scare them.
You're not safe until you're in your car driving away.
For real. It was really hot in there. They had like,
yeah, it was hot.
Like dry fog or something.
Yeah.
Or a fog machine.
Mm-hmm.
And it just got like more foggy as it went on.
Yeah. It was $10 per person to get in there, and
it felt like it.
Yeah, it was a little jank, but the people were nice, and it was something to do. So is it worth $10? I wouldn't come here just for that, but to add it on to your night, sure. Look, I think it's okay. It wasn't scary. It was just a gimmick, It was cool. It was all right,
Overall, the whole Heartstoppers, my heart was not stopped.
Yeah, I mean, we're still alive. They did not succeed in ending our lives. They only ended my voice. And that was by choice, by me. I do have to say, I keep going back to Merc. Merc was great. So, Merc was good. So, I didn't go with them for Asylum They did that on their own. That one was okay. There seems to always be that theme in every haunted house where there's
and Alice in Wonderland.
yeah, always that Alice theme, always that like loony, like bin, like hospital, like asylum, insane asylum, obviously. So that's a consistent. So I feel like because you know from haunted house to haunted house that there's going to be one of those two themes, if not both. Like you already know what to expect right away. You already know that there's going to be like psychedelic stuff in Alice. It's going to be 3D paint, neon, black light. I think that their props were the best props I've seen for an Alice in Wonderland situation. Huge props.
Pretty big props.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
I don't know if they bought that like online or they made those.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
And then Asylum. Asylum is kind of the typical thing, right? It's like an estate asylum, so everyone's screaming. Everyone's in like tattered white clothing.
Everybody's talking crazy.
Yeah, gibberish, etc. So you just know what to expect. So I feel like it's hard to get into it when you already know that it's going to be a certain thing. The one thing I liked about Asylum at this place is I felt like there was some kid actors and children actors that I thought played a good part. Like they were like demented children. There was a boy who was given a shot by, I assume, his doctor. Maybe his dad in real life, I don't know. But he was a good little actor because he was like dead on the table, strapped down. He got a shot. He like got all this energy and was just like screaming his head off. Like honestly, I would have a headache if I was him. So I liked him. Yeah, there's like a little bit of a 1950s kind of vibe to it.
The Asylum?
Yeah, because I think that asylums don't operate that way in modern times. So this is like more of an antique asylum.
Yeah.
But there were some things that were out of place. Did you see the man with like all the like robotic like tubing? What do you call that aesthetic?
Oh, steampunk?
Yes, thank you. You always know what I'm saying without me saying anything. Anyways, yeah, it was kind of steampunk, and I didn't understand what he was doing there. Like, it didn't make any sense.
I wonder if they're given the theme and then it's like up to interpretation, or they're
like, do they have to bring their own stuff?
Or if it's provided, so then it's kind of more cohesive.
Don't know.
I know other places it's like just dress up scary.
Yeah.
This is the theme, but this one seemed like, I don't know.
I don't know, but we did get some stuff.
I ate mine.
Oh, well, okay.
I ate 2 of mine already.
I have my proof that I made it out of zombie laser tag, and that is like 2 Mike and Ikes and a gum eyeball. And I did buy some art from like one of the scariest movies I've seen in like a long time. This would have been great to, you know, if they incorporated shit like this into these haunted houses, it would be rather unique. It's cool, it was on point, and I was supported Sky, artist Sky. Anyways, that was it. Honestly, the haunt hunt will continue.
We'll go, you know, down south next year.
Yeah, I'm not sure that Sacramento has anything to offer us anymore.
Oh, damn!
We're gonna have to take us on the road. How are the haunted houses in your area? Tell us in the comments below. Should we come visit your neck of the woods? All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later. Happy Halloween.
Bye.
Yay, we recorded some shit. All right, so my fry and her burger thing.
You, Asia. Oh, thank you.